Hello kid. Well, you will be surprised to know that we get many food items and different important things from the animal friends. Surprised, right? Let me tell you about them. Well, if you see over here, you'll find the cows give us milk, goats give us meat, hens give us eggs, and honeybees give us honey. So all of these different animals and insects help us to get different types of food. Now just imagine, can you keep hundreds of cows or hundreds of goats or honeybees or hens in your backyard? No, that's not possible, right? But there are some people who buy them and feed them, and not only that, they also take care of them. So over here you can see there are some people who buy these animals in great numbers. They feed them and take care of them. So after that, when they get the different products like milk, eggs, meat, what do? Well, they sell them off. And what is this entire thing known as? This is known as livestock rearing. Livestock rearing is a great occupation in India. So there are many people who buy animals, feed and take care of them, and finally sell off the products obtained from the animals. And this occupation is known as livestock rearing. This really helps in earning more money. So what is livestock rearing? Rearing of domesticated animals which give us useful products like meat, milk, wool, etc. is known as livestock rearing. So, livestock rearing is a very important occupation. Now, let us know some of the animals which are reared as livestock. Well, over here we have the cow, the pig, hen and the lamb. So, these are some of the animals which are used for livestock rearing. So, let's know what are the useful things that we get from these animal friends. Well, from cows we get milk. Now, from goats we get two things. What are they? Well, we get milk as well as meat. Now, we have got the bird, that is the hen. So, hen gives us eggs and meat. Now, during winters, we all love to protect ourselves by wearing woolen clothes. But do you know from where does this wool come from? Well, it comes from the lamb. So, the lamb gives us wool as well as meat. Even this insect is very useful. See, over here we see a honeybee. The honeybee helps us in getting honey. Now, not only these animals, you can see in the hilly areas there are some animals which help in transport. See, in the hilly areas or in mountainous regions, the roads are not very well connected. So over there, transportation is difficult. So nowadays as well, there are some animals which help the human beings for transport as well as to carry their loads. So which are those animals? Over here we see the donkeys. The donkeys carry loads in the hilly areas. See. Now, other than the donkeys, we also have got the horses and the mules. They also help in transportation as well as in carrying load. So, let me ask you a question. Which of the following is not livestock? Well, if you see here, lamb gives us wool. So, it is a livestock. So, that is a wrong option. Coming to goat, we get meat and milk from goats. So, this is also a livestock and a wrong option. Now, Coming to donkey, it helps in transportation and carrying different loads. So, this is also a livestock. Now, which is the correct option? The tiger. This is not livestock. So, now my dear kid, you know which are the animals that are used as livestock, because from all of these animals we get either something to eat or some other important things. So, let's revise. Which are those animals? Cow, pig, lamb, donkeys, horses and goats. So, all of these animals are used in livestock rearing, and livestock rearing is one of the most important occupation in India. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, at deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So, register for free now.